AdSpyglass is an innovative ad mediation system. It enables website owners to use multiple ad networks at the same time. All you need is to add your ad network accounts and connect your website to the AdSpyglass. Then, the system will be analyzing your every single ad impression, identify which network is offering the highest CPM, and sell it at the maximum price. Thanks to that, AdSpyglass is able to increase the webmaster's income up to plus 100%. In this video, we're gonna learn how to configure your AdSpyglass account to let it skyrocket your website earnings. Here we go. This is your newly registered AdSpyglass account. Now there's nothing much we have here. But let's start by adding a website. Let's hit Add Websites to start the configuration process. This is the dialog box for adding new websites. At first, we need to choose our website stream. Website stream is the main thematic direction of your website. If you're running an adult resource, you need to choose the adult stream, the same thing with all other ones. Let's pick up the mainstream, just for the example. Then, we need to specify the URL of your website. Just type your domain in here to add it to AdSpyglass. Done. Then, we need to choose our website's ad spots. Let's go with pop under as an example. Everything is ready. After that, let's press Add to save our new website. Great. Our website and its ad spot are successfully added to AdSpyglass. Let's move straight to the next stage of our configuration and add creatives. Adding creatives is a very important step of the AdSpyglass account configuration. To add creatives means to establish a connection between your ad network account and AdSpyglass to let the system obtain and rotate your ads. Let's click the Add Creatives button to start the process. This is the place where you can import your ad network creatives. There are quite a lot of different settings and fields. But no need to worry, everything is really simple. At first, we need to choose a campaign for our creative. Just expand the drop-down and choose the campaign you need. Then, let's give our creative a name. It is better to keep your names concise and clear. That will help you when you'll have plenty of creatives. After that, let's choose the ad network. Just pick the one you have an established account at and connect it with AdSpyglass. Let's take the ExoClick network for the instance. We need to expand the Ad Network drop-down and pick up the needed option. Then, we'll see a modal window for linking the ad network account. Let's just enter our network account's credentials to proceed further. Just go to the ad network's admin area to obtain your API key. In our case, I'll just paste it to let us move forward. Save. Ready. Our ad network is successfully linked and we're good to go to the next steps. Now, we need to get zone ID and linked URL from the linked network. In our case, ExoClick supports auto-import. That's why we can accomplish this by pressing only one button. Let's press this big green button to begin the importing process. Awesome. Zone ID and link URL have been successfully imported. But, you need to pay attention here. Not all ad networks support automated importing. That's why in case you don't see the button we've just used, it means that you need to paste zone ID and link URL manually. You may get these details in your network's account. If your network is not providing you with zone ID and link URL within the interface, just reach out to their support team, and they will help you to get it. Cool. Let's look at what else do we have here. This is the list of available macros. Feel free to use them for your purposes. Moreover, using macros may increase your profit. Here, you'll find the full list and links to instructions that will help you to manage these parameters. Next stop, traffic filters. These are really handy functions that will help you to handle your traffic more accurately. hover question marks to read the full description of each of them. And the last one, proxy blockers. Here, you may easily block any sort of proxy traffic. Use it whenever you need it. Let's finalize everything we've just done by pressing the Save button. The creative is ready. Let's go to the final step of the AdSpyglass account configuration and get our codes. The process of getting codes is the last thing you need to establish to fully complete the setup. AdSpyglass will generate a new ad code which we need to insert into the body tag of the website. But before doing it, we need to verify our website. Verification is required for approving that you're a legitimate owner of the specified resource. Therefore, you have all the needed permissions for moving forward with AdSpyglass. Let's do it. There are 3 ways to verify your website. Just choose the one that is convenient for you and use the following instructions. Let's verify our website using the meta tag. I'll quickly show you how to get it done. At first, we need to copy the code from this field. Then, we open the source code of the website and paste the code inside the head tag. Now, we need to save and publish the code to apply changes. Great. Let's get back to AdSpyglass and verify our website. The website is successfully verified and we're ready to manage our codes. To finalize the AdSpyglass account configuration, press the Get Codes button. Here, you'll see the detailed instructions about the proper handling of your ad codes. Make sure that you removed the old network's codes from your website. The codes from ad networks conflict with the AdSpyglass code. Now, we need to copy the code and paste it as the first item of the body tag of every web page where we want our ads to be shown. Let's open the source code of our website. This is the ad code of ExoClick. We need to remove it and paste AdSpyglass 1 instead. Let's save our edits and apply new changes. We're ready. Our AdSpyglass account is fully configured and ready to boost your income. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the AdSpyglass YouTube channel for more educational videos and tutorials. See you.